Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss some more deeply about area. In the last video, I gave you a small direct introduction of area. Today we shall discuss some more about area with some certain figure. Okay, and I hope that you all get everything whatever I taught you in my previous video. So students, keep watching the video, and now let's start our today's talk. In general, we know that area of rectangle is length into width, length into width. This formula is generally known by everyone because we have studied this formula in the previous class. Similarly, we also have area of square is equal to side into side, side to side. But here a question arises that why we write side into side? Because as if we look at the square, we find that the length and width both are same, and in general way we say that the side of the square are equal, therefore its length and width both are same, and hence here we write side into side. Okay, now let us see some more about area in another way. Today we shall discuss area of path, which is very important in this class. So the next is area of path. In our daily life, we often see when we go in the park, we find that there are various type of path has been formed in the park for a walk. Okay, so we shall take the example of park in order to understand the area of path. So when we go to the park, we find that the paths are of many shapes. Okay, like square shape. The path may be square shape or rectangular shape. Rectangular shape or triangular shape or circular shape or circular shape. Okay, the park may be of following shape. The park may be of following shape, and just suppose that this is a rectangular park. This is a rectangular park. Then it has two types of path in it. Okay, the first is the path along its boundary. The first is the path along its boundary. This is the first type that we shall study in this chapter. This is the first type of path in the park. The second is, if this is a rectangular park, then it has the path like this. Okay, so these are the path of this park, so that in this chapter we shall learn how to find out the area of path formed in a rectangular field or park. Okay, sometime the park may be square, may be triangular, may be circular. As we get, we shall study. So first here we shall study the rectangular part and their path. Okay, here we shall study only these two cases, case 1 and case 2. So now let us see case 1. What will be the area of path in this category? One most important thing I would like to tell you, sometimes the path is also formed out of the park. Just suppose that this is a park P, Q, R, S. This is a path and the path is formed outside of the park. So here we have two subcategory of the category in which the path is formed along the length and width of the rectangle, and such type of category has two subcategories. The first is the path is formed inside the park, and second subcategory is the path formed outside of the park. So let us start here. This is a park P Q R S. This is a park P Q R S, and a path is formed around it, and a path is formed around it. Okay, give the name as A, B, C, D. So listen carefully. There is a rectangular part, or you can say that there is a rectangle PQRS, and a path is formed around it. Now, if the dimension of the rectangle and width of the path is given, then the area can be defined as then the area of path will be area of path is equal to AB into BC minus PQ into QR. Okay. Now there is a question arise, how it has been written. So listen me carefully. If we look at the picture, we shall find that there are two rectangles. The first is ABCD and the second one is PQRS. Therefore, if we find the area of the rectangle ABCD and the area of rectangle PQRS, and then we subtract the area of central rectangle from outer rectangle, we shall get the area of this gap. Then we shall get the area of this gap. Okay. Therefore, I wrote like this: area of part. That is the area of this gap. For this, we have to subtract the area of this central rectangle from the area of outer rectangle. We shall get the value AB into BC, that is AB is the length of outer rectangle and BC is the width of outer rectangle, and PQ into QR, where PQ is the length of central rectangle and QR is the length of width of central rectangle. And after subtracting the area of central rectangle from the outer rectangle, we shall get the area of path. Here, one most important thing is that if the, as the question says that if the dimension of the rectangle, here the initial rectangle is PQRS. Therefore, as I told you that if the dimension of the rectangle PQRS is given, then, in order to find out the area of outer rectangle, we must have the dimension of outer rectangle. So here, one problem is that here we have no idea about the dimension of the outer rectangle ABCD. So that here the value of AB, that is the length of the outer rectangle, is equal to PQ plus 2 into width of path. Okay, here you can say that this is a condition where after that you will write this, where AB is equal to PQ plus 2 into width of path. Similarly, BC is equal to QR plus 2 into width of path. Okay. So after this operation, we shall get the dimension of outer rectangle, and hence here we get the area of path, and in this way we shall get the area of path. Okay student, I hope this concept is clear to everyone. Let us see this once again. What I say here, PQRS be a given rectangle, or you can say that PQRS be a rectangular path and ABCD represent a path around the path PQRS. Okay, so that it's the area of path will be area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle, where the length of AB is found by this operation. AB is equal to length of PQ plus twice of width of the path, and BC is equal to QR, that is the width of rectangle, plus twice of width of path. So in this way we shall get the area of path. Okay, now let us see a question of this on this topic. A tablecloth, of length 50 centimeter and width 35 centimeter and width 35 centimeter has a has a lace border of of uniform width uniform width of 2.5 centimeter. Then what will be the area of lace border? Find area of lace border. This is the given question. Okay, listen carefully what does the question say. A tablecloth of length 50 centimeter and width 35 centimeter has a lace border of uniform width 2.5 centimeter. So here, first of all, this is a tablecloth. This is a tablecloth which has the lace border. This is its lace. This is its lace border. The lace is attached with the cloth because it improves the beauty of this cloth. So this is the border, lace border. This is its lace border. Okay, student. I hope you understand about lace border. Often you see in various cloth that we wear. So here the length, the width. First of all, this is the width, that is 2.5 centimeter. Okay, and its length is 50 centimeter and width is 35 centimeter. Therefore, first of all, we shall find the length of lace border and the width of lace border. So that suppose this is P, Q, R, S, A, B, C and D. Okay. Now we shall find the lace of border. Then we have AB is equal to PQ plus 2 into width of lace, and this will be equal to PQ. What is PQ? PQ is 50. Therefore 50 plus 2 into 2.5, and this will be equal to 55 centimeter. Okay. Similarly, BC will equal to 35 plus 2 into 2.5, and this will be equal to 40 centimeters. Now we have the dimension of outer area, sorry, outer rectangle. Now we can easily find out the value of the path, area of path. So for this, here we write area will equal to AB multiplied by BC minus PQ multiplied by QI. So this will be equal to 55 multiplied by 40 minus 50 multiplied by 35. Okay, now solve it. We shall get the result. 0, 5 4 are 20, 5 4 are 20, and minus 0, 5 5 are 25, 5 3 are 15. And after subtraction, we shall get 0 minus 0, 0, 10 minus 5, 5, and 11 minus 7, 4, and 1 centimeter square. This is the area of this border. The area of this border is 1450 centimeter square. So students, I hope you get everything clearly. If you have any doubt, then please go to the comment section and mention your doubt. I will clear in my next video. So we shall meet in the next video with new topic. Till then, goodbye.